I'm back for another declutter of my lip products. This is my liquid lipsticks. And I've done my MAC. I've done my lip glosses, which I'm wiping off my hand right now. I've done my lip pencils. Is that it? So MAC, lip gloss, lip pencils. Yes, this is my fourth. So I am going to be decluttering my liquid lipsticks, which I don't think is really that bad. But I will admit, a lot of these I don't use. I don't know how many I'm going to swatch. I mean, I probably will anyways, just because my hand is getting so raw. But I already know of a few that I'm for sure keeping and a few that I'm for sure getting rid of, and some that I just don't know yet. So let's just get started. I think I'm gonna get these in groups of brands. I think that will be easiest because then I'll know something. I guess. I don't know. Okay. Let's see. I got hair. Okay. Crime. Okay, so I think that this was a lip gloss that I know I'm keeping. Sorry, I was mixed in with these. Okay, so I think I'm going to start with Jeffree Star because I know a couple of them are already dried out, unfortunately. One is Celebrity Skin, so I know I'm throwing that away. And the other one is Unicorn Blood. It is totally dried out. And unfortunately, I did not get much use out of these, but I mean, are all these other ones okay? Let me look. This one is Prom Night. Yeah, that looks pretty bad too. As you can see, it's kind of separated in the tube. This one, let's see. Oh, that's so bad too. That's I'm Nude. And of course, the ones that look great, I will not wear ever. Queen Supreme looks fine, and Anna Nicole, which I bought just because of the name. So I think I'm gonna hold on to these just because, but these four I'm gonna throw out because they're dried up and they look horrible. So that's too bad. All right, with Dose of Colors, I have Stone and Truffle. Both are my favorite. I'm gonna keep both of those. Okay, let's see what else I know I'm keeping. I know I'm keeping the Stila Patina. I have a full size that I haven't opened yet, and then a mini, all-time favorite. I know I'm going to be keeping the Bound and American Woman. Again, some of my absolute favorite liquid lipsticks. Okay, I know I'm going to be keeping these 4 YSL. I didn't know what to put these in because they're not really liquid lipsticks, like long lasting, but they're not bullet lipsticks and they're not lip glosses, so that's kind of why I put them in here. But I have a red one, a pink one, a nude one, and another nude one, and they all still work well and I like them. I don't wear them too much, but they're good. All right, Lime Crime, I only have 2. I have Riot and Suede Berry. I think I'm gonna keep Riot. It's a color that I would probably wear, but I'm gonna let go of Suede Berry. It's kind of like an orange, and I just won't wear it, so. All right, let's do Kat Von D. This one will be fairly easy because I know I'm keeping Love Sick and Mother. This is Love Sick, this is Mother. Those are probably my favorite. And I know I'm keeping Underage Outlaw. Underage Red and Outlaw are my favorite long-wearing red lipsticks. They are amazing. Those are staying. And I have Lolita, which I know I'm keeping. Lolita and Bow and Arrow I'm going to keep. Those are brown, more brown, but I do like them. So these are the colors. This is Lolita too. Wait, this one. But they look so different. I'm going to keep them both because I know I like Lolita, but I know they also have different shades of it now, so I don't know. All right, this one I have in Berlin, and this one is in, I don't know, the tag is gone. This one is in K-Dub. So I know I probably won't, I hate getting rid of these. I like this formula so much. I'm going to keep this one. I feel like if it was bad, I wouldn't, but I'm going to keep that one. I'm going to keep this. I'm going to keep all of them. I can't. I like that. Those are probably my favorite. I like them. All right, I have Pure Hollywood and a backup of Pure Hollywood. Not on purpose. I got this in a subscription box, but I do like it, so I'm going to keep that. I haven't got to use this Huda Beauty red color. I think I got this in Allure box or maybe FabFitFun. I don't remember which subscription box, but I haven't worn it, so I'm not going to get rid of it till I try it. Here's a lip gloss, so that doesn't go in here. This Smashbox Boss, I guess is how you say that. I don't know. Maybe I'll keep this. I like my reds to be liquid form. I just feel like it works the better. So I'm going to hold on to that. I never really tried this Mally color, but I feel like it looks too light anyway, so I'm going to let go of that. And then this is a Gerard Cosmetics, I'm sorry, Serenity. I loved this color. I'm going to keep that. I thought I had another one. Wait, again, I got rid of so much a little while ago that I can't even remember. All right, let me grab the rest of my liquid lipsticks and then we'll go from there. All right, so this is my container of Lip Sense lipsticks. I did not share this with you guys. I got spilled wax on it. This is all my glosses. I know I'm not getting rid of these, so I didn't share these in my lip gloss declutter. Let me make sure these are all lipsticks, because this is a lipstick. But I know these are glosses. Not this one. That's a gloss. No, that's not. Okay. So I'm not going to go through my glosses because I know I'm keeping all of them. I like them. So there's that. But I have, and then this bottom drawer is all my Shadow Sense colors that I'm not going to go through in this video. But I will go through these. So if you guys don't know how these work, these are really good lipsticks. I like them. They are hard to get used to using because of the way you put them on is kind of annoying. But they really are long lasting if you use them consistently. If you do not use them consistently, they are not long lasting. They will peel. So I'm not sure why that is, but it is. So, okay. I'll go through my colors and I'm going to pull out some. I don't know how many of these I'll get rid of just because I do really like these. And I kind of like, I already got rid of Bella because I tried it on in one of my Get Ready With Me recently and realized it's just not my color. So, I don't know if I'm going to get rid of any of these. Should I really even go through it? Okay, I'll just do it real fast. So I have Coralina, She's Apples, and She La La. These are kind of orangey colors. Not my favorite, which is why they're kind of down here, because I just can't wear them. All right, these ones are Fire and Ice, Bombshell Diamond, Pink, Party Pink, and Heartbreaker. I love Heartbreaker and Bombshell Diamond. The other two, maybe I'll put the ones that I'm not a fan of down here to try to get some more use out of. And if I don't, then maybe really consider getting rid of these. let's do that. Okay, I have Summer Fun, Pink Champagne, Aussie Rose, and Kathy's Kisses, and I like all of those. These ones are Kiss Me Katie, Precious Topaz, Fleur de Lisa, and Sweetheart Pink. I know Precious Topaz isn't my favorite, but the other three I love. So this will be my drawer for, I need to try them and decide if I want to keep them. All right, so in this drawer we have Sassy Z, my all-time favorite. If you want to try one, try that one. Apple Cider, Girlfriend, Love It, Violet, and Raspberry. These I all like. I told you this isn't going to be very good. Kiss for the Cause and Pink Ice. I think I'm going to put Kiss for a Cause down here because I don't really ever wear that one. And I should try and see if I want to keep it. Okay, I have Purple Rain, which is also another one I'll put down here. Roseberry I like. Goddess, another really good one like Sassy Z. Be Ruby, Be Mine, Glam Doll, and Nude Pink. I think I'm going to put Glam Doll and Be Mine down here to try them out. And put the other ones back in here. So let me see how many I can fit. Well, let's just do that. All right, and then the last drawer is, let's see, these have some funky colors. I have Blackberry, which, let's be real, Team Wicked down there, Violet Vault down there, Sugar Plum, Kelly's Crush, and then I have Rose All Day. This isn't, that's a little, okay. First Love, Opal Fire. I use this more as a gloss. Well, you have to put a gloss over it still, but it's not really a good lip color, but I do like it. Summer Love, Bombshell, Golden Orchard, another Sassy Z. Can you tell I like that? And Blue Red, which I love. All right, so I think I didn't get rid of anything, which doesn't surprise me. But at least now I have this row where I need to either try or get rid of. And that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 of waste of money because I don't know if I want to keep it. Which is terrible when you consider that they cost 20 to 25 bucks each. That is pretty sad. So if I count these as a 13 that I'm considering getting rid of, it's kind of the same thing as putting it in my box. If I don't pull for these and try them and at least try them out, I'm going to get rid of them and I'll probably pass them to my mom or my sister. These I'm for sure throwing out. I'll probably pass these two on to someone. But this isn't too bad for liquid lipsticks. I think the last the last lipstick declutter I have will be Bullet lipsticks. That one is a little bit bigger, but not too bad. And then we'll be done. And I think I'm getting a good clean out of my lip products. Let me know if you want me to go through my Shadow Sense eyeshadows. I don't know. I love these. I know a lot of people don't know about them or use them. I think they are magnificent and really, really good. And obviously I collect way too many colors. So anyways, as always, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.